Hello, ATC hiring team. My name is Pedro Leao, and first of all, I would like to thank you for this opportunity to explain a bit more about my experience and skills as I apply for the business analyst position. I'm really looking forward to being considered for this role and sharing how I could contribute to the team. During my college career, I had two key internships and one volunteer experience that shaped my analytical and business skill set. At Sonic Tools USA, a tools manufacturing company, I worked as a data analyst intern, where I led the development of a return on investment calculator to help business to business clients quantify potential time and cost savings from investing in Sonic's tool systems. I collected, cleaned, and analyzed time study data comparing Sonic tools to industry standard across a variety of tasks and worker profiles. Based on this analysis, I designed a dynamic model that factored in client-specific variables like team size, hourly wages, and task distribution to estimate savings. I collaborated closely with leadership to ensure the calculator aligned with real-world client needs and sales strategies. The tool is now used by the sales team to support purchasing decisions and has become a key part of Sonic's business-to-business outreach. At the Hong Kong Standards and Testing Center, a company located in Hong Kong, I worked as a data engineering intern focused on improving marketing performance visibility. The goal of the project was to develop a centralized analytics dashboard by aggregating data from sources like Google Analytics, Meta Analytics, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Prior to my project, the marketing team relied on fragmented manual reports. My dashboard allowed them to track KPIs such as engagement, likes, and new followers on a daily basis across campaigns. As a result, the team was able to optimize ads, spend, and content strategy, and the dashboard became an essential tool for weekly planning and executive reporting. In addition to my internships, I also served as a logistics coordinator for the Brazil conference at Harvard and MIT, one of the largest conferences about Brazil held abroad. I was responsible for coordinating logistics for over 40 speakers, including business leaders, politicians, and academics. I managed international travel schedules, lodging, real-time communication, and on-site execution, all while working within a tight $600,000 budget. This experience strengthened my project management, problem-solving, and cross-functional communication skills, especially under pressure. It also taught me how to align multiple moving parts towards a common goal, something I believe is essential in any analytical or client-facing role. I'm very comfortable using Python and SQL for data analysis and automation. In Python, I often work with libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib, and I've used SQL for querying and transforming data in projects and internships. For business intelligence tools, I've used Power BI and Tableau to create dashboards and visualization. I also used Excel frequently, especially for initial exploration and quick business reports. I enjoy applying these tools to real business problems, whether that's creating a forecast, visualizing trends, or validating hypotheses with data. As part of my business intelligence course, I worked on a team project where we analyzed financial data from Vanguard to simulate a real-world business scenario. Using Tableau, we built an interactive dashboard designed to help executives and analysts assess mutual fund performance and risk across different global regions. We cleaned and joined multiple datasets, restructured them for visualization, and applied KPIs such as percentage return and regional risk averages. One dashboard showed performance trends by region and fund type, while another compared Vanguard's flagship funds to competitors. The goal was to identify key insights that could support data-driven investment decisions, such as where to allocate funds or expand market presence. This project strengthened my ability to turn complex financial data into clear strategic insights, something I'm eager to bring into a real business setting as a business analyst. During one of the previously mentioned internships experiences I had to present a marketing dashboard to a marketing team that had knowledge about marketing insights and data, but didn't really have a strong computer science background, and we needed that to build the calculator. So instead of focusing on how the backend infrastructure worked or explaining the SQL logic behind the database, I centered the presentations around how the tool supported their day-to-day decisions, like identifying which platforms deliver the best return investment or why content performed best. I used clear, intuitive visuals and made sure every chart had business context. The result was that the team quickly adopted the dashboard as part of their weekly routine. That experience taught me how to tailor communication to match the audience's technical comfort while still delivering meaningful insights. One challenging problem I faced over the other internship experience was how to convert efficiency gains into a monetary value. Because at first we only had the percentages of the company's efficiency compared to standardized industry, and I had to convert that into a long-term monetary value. So I broke down the problem in two. First, I standardized the input format, and then I tested it into different formulas based on clients' interviews. The tool helped close deals by making the value proposition more tangible. Well, I believe I'm a strong candidate because I bring a balance of technical skills, business intuition, and communications ability. I've worked on projects where I had to turn complex data into insights that drive decisions. My university class schedule is based on a fast-paced learning rate, where I had 4 terms over a year, each with 3 classes in only 7 weeks. I believe that helped me thrive in fast-paced environments, and I enjoy solving messy real-world problems. I'm especially excited about ATC because of your work at the intersection of technology and strategy. Thank you again for considering my application. I'm truly excited about this opportunity and hope to speak to you soon.